Hey guys, Rhonda here. Whether you're brand new to affiliate marketing, whether you've been around a while, this brand new program that's in pre-launch right now is great for anybody. Even if you're brand new, it has done for you content, and it's so simple. The training that I have for you, I have training worth $6,000 to get you started for our team only. And it's going to take you step by step through what to do so you can start being successful. The other thing is it's really just as simple as sharing a phone number. Share a phone number. It has an automated bot that's going to take over, and it's going to close the sales for you. Close the sales for you, and you get $200 in instant commissions every time it closes a sale. So it doesn't get easier than that. If you've been in affiliate marketing and you know what you're doing, the nice thing about this is it's a super simple way to add another stream of income into your program or into what you're already doing. And like I said, because you're just going to be sharing this phone number, the bot's going to take over for you and close your sales. So it truly is another passive form of income for you. So watch the following video, get back to me, and let me know if you have any questions or if I can help you. Can you imagine how much simpler and more enjoyable life would be if you could learn how to effortlessly make money using the internet? Did you know that there are people just like you making hundreds of thousands, if not millions, every year, and all they do is sell other people's products online? There's no better way to take control over your own experience than by taking control over your money. And with my software business, we help you do exactly that. All you have to do is share a phone number with others who want to make money online, and our powerful AI text messaging sales assistant makes $200 sales for you 24/7. You've never seen an easier and faster way to make money. So get started today with my software business and let technology set you free. Text or call 239-558-1975 in the US or Canada to see how this works. For all other countries, check the link below this video. This is a worldwide opportunity.